Hey guys, I'm Tom, and today we're gonna build something. Well, actually I already did, but today I'm gonna show you how I did it, and it was really easy. We're talking about the Lightning One, a super fast, super fun Delta on electric, made for 3S motors. It's produced as a kit, as a laser cut kit by RC Europe, and was designed by Bart Lammersen, Flying Dutchman plans. And for those of you who don't know Bart or don't know his channel, you should really check it out. I'm gonna put a link in the description below, because Bart makes the most amazing stuff, mainly flying boats, but right now he's working on a Brewster Buffalo. Everything he's doing right now in terms of design is looking fantastic. I believe he's working on the retracts. It's a really complicated system and he makes it look easy. And he actually designed this Delta loosely based on the Laser Arrow from the 80s, but in a smaller version, and he actually designed this to serve as a club project. And for a club project, you need two things. The build has to be fast and the build has to be easy, because you want to include people that maybe have never done a balsa build before. And you really made it easy. And I'll show you why. Those of you who know me know that I don't really do unboxings. So in terms of this kit, it came inside of a box. The box contained a knife, which is really a cool touch. But then all the components fit in the box, and the only problem is that the knife is already inside the box, so you need a different knife to open the box. But other than that, it came in a box, it was unharmed, and what we're looking at is a couple of sheets of balsa, a sheet of ply, some more balsa, some smaller components, and that's it, and you're good to go. So the entire plane is built up with these laser cut parts, mainly on these three first sheets of 3mm balsa. Really nice. They did a really good job. They really calibrated their equipment well, so it all looks nice, joints look nice. That's fantastic. So you have 3 sheets of that, and then you have this one sheet of also 3mm plywood, 4 sheets of balsa. I think it's 1.5mm. And then you have some extra balsa for the nose, and then this will become the elevator ailerons. That's about it. You get a plan and then you're good to go. So Bart really thought this through, because this sheet of plywood, once you take all the components out, you will see that you have all these slots left here, right? And these slots, they actually come back. That one falls out already. These slots, they come back in the ribs. Let me see if I can push this one out. Be nice, just be gentle with it when you do. Yeah? So when I take out a rib, you see that Bart has put these little feet on it. And these little feet, they go, you have to put the ribs in the right position, but they go in these slots. And so the rest material, after you've taken all this stuff out, the sheet, the rest of it is used as a jig. So you basically just attach it to a straight building table, you insert all the ribs, all the components in the right spot, and you'll always build this straight and it will fly straight. So you get a really nice plan. Now, I told you I already built mine, so I'm just going to put this away, keep the kit intact. This is the plan I used when I was building mine. And this plan will give you a simple step-by-step instruction in a visual way, which will allow you to follow the steps and just build this step by step. It's really easy. You know, after the balsa build, you'll have to do some covering. You'll have to install some electronics. Actually, you do that during the build already. But this build cost me less than a week, 5 nights. Just a couple of hours of work, and then go watch TV with the wife. It's really fast. Alright, so even without using any glue, it already looks like a Delta already, right? And look, and just imagine 2 of these fins right here. Pure awesome in a cup. Let's check out some photos of my build and I'll talk you through it.
Alright, doing this audio in post, I realized there really isn't that much to say. The build is really easy, and with the jig, it makes the building so easy. One thing I did change was that the recommended motor is a 3S1, and I actually used the 4S1 that I got from my EF Extra, which is a 1780 KV one. And I'm using the 60 amp speed controller, so it took a little bit of fondling to get that all to fit in the fuselage. And then the Graphene 2200s I'm running, they didn't fit either, so I had to build a box on the bottom of the fuselage, which is really easy to throw it away as well. And you know, just follow the instructions, it's easy as hell. And then just go to the covering, choose a nice color scheme. I only used colors of our cover I had laying around. Here you see some stuff I was doing on my phone while I was at it to try to figure out with the colors I had available what would look nice. Yeah, put some time in the covering to make it stand out a little bit, and there you go, finished product, ready to fly. The only thing I did when programming the radio was put in a lot of expo, and then afterwards I upped it even more. So I use a lot of expo on this one. I use 95% of expo on this one on ailerons and elevator, with higher throws than recommended, so it rolls really fast. Yeah, really cool looking. So the one on the right is mine, the one on the left is Alex's one, guy at our club. I have a lot of fun flying these together, and hope a lot of members will finish there soon so we can have bigger group flights. But let's go check out the flying. You'll see Alex's one popping up on occasion as well, because we have some footage of group flights as well. So yeah, enjoy.
Wacht, ja.
Well, there you go. It's the end of a beautiful day. The Lightning One, ladies and gentlemen, a fantastic Bart Lamersen design. It's awesome. I typically name my planes as well. And can somebody in the comments please guide me to the name of that song that goes like danger, danger, high voltage? I think that's fitting, don't you? Thanks for checking out this video. If you would like to build one of these, I'll put a link to RC Europe in the description below, and I'll put a link to Bart's page as well, because the stuff he's working on and the design, the 3D design, it's awesome. So you should really check his channel out. For me, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.